In the charming town of Harmony, a kind-hearted girl named Lily was always eager to help those around her. With a heart full of curiosity and compassion, she embarked on a journey to understand her family and friends better, discovering the true power of kindness along the way. One sunny morning, Lily's elderly neighbor, Mr. Whiskers, invited her over for tea. Mr. Whiskers was a retired sailor with tales from around the world. As they sipped on steaming cups of chamomile tea, Mr. Whiskers mentioned the true essence of being a good listener. He started with a tale from his adventuring days to illustrate his point. On a voyage to the Far East, Mr. Whiskers met an old wise man who taught him that listening was not just about hearing, but understanding and caring for others. Lily's eyes widened with curiosity. The wise man had said listening involved 3 special steps. First was to give your full attention. Imagine you are a bird perched on the branch. You hear everything but must focus on each tweet to understand the melody, said Mr. Whiskers. Lily giggled at the thought. The second step was to keep distractions at bay. As Mr. Whiskers shared this pearl of wisdom, he pointed out the fluttering curtains and chirping birds that sometimes divided your attention. It was important, he said, to be present in the moment with the speaker. Lily nodded, absorbing the lesson, thinking about how she would avoid looking at buzzing phones or wandering thoughts when chatting with her friends. The third step was the hardest but most fulfilling one, showing empathy. Mr. Whiskers spoke tenderly. Empathy means putting yourself in someone else's shoes, feeling their joy, their sorrow. Lily pictured herself in her friend Emma's shoes, walking down the path with her toy rabbit and feeling their shared giggles and stories. Mr. Whiskers concluded by saying that when you truly understand the feelings behind words, you build strong bonds of friendship and trust. Inspired, Lily decided to try these steps. She practiced listening intently to her parents during dinner. At school, she shared the wise man's steps with her classmate Ben, who sometimes felt shy speaking up. Slowly, she noticed that by being a good listener, Ben smiled more and felt comfortable sharing his stories with her. As the afternoon sun dipped below the town's horizon, Lily understood that by being a good listener, she had learned new ways to care and understand her world and friends better. Back in Harmony, she skipped along the cobblestone path, holding on to the memories of Mr. Whiskers' stories, promising herself she would always embrace the magical art of listening through full attention, dismissing distractions and empathy. And so, with each chat and every story, Lily discovered the wondrous magic hidden within the simple act of listening, spreading kindness and understanding throughout her cozy little town of Harmony.